The final thing you do in styles, what you can do in styles, is that you can redefine all blocks. And you click on blocks, and then you see here are all my blocks, or all blocks that is available in WordPress. So if you would like to change something, well, then you can set it up here. So let's say that I would like to change the quote block. I can click on this one, and I will see here I have the text, the background, the link, and the heading that I can set up for the quote block. So I can say, do I like to have any style variations? This is the plain variation. And then I can, so let's say that I would like to have my quotes to use a specific font like this, and then they should be large. And now I have a preview up here, but sometimes it's a little bit problematic, and this one actually doesn't show the correct font. I see. Sometimes this happens because it hasn't loaded that correctly. But to see how it really looks, well, then you can actually click here to get to the style book. And this one uses the default cursive font. And this is not what we want, so we have a problem here. And this sometimes happens, and it's some kind of font loading problem. But because I said that this one should use a luckily one font in a large style. Maybe that was a little bit too large, but now I actually need to do this. I need to save this one and save. So I save this to my site, and now to really see this, I need to add a quote somewhere. So now you see that it has missed load the font at all. So let's go back here and see how it looks on our site. The site is still okay, so it is a background problem. So let's add a new page, and let's add quote test. And here I would like to add a quote. And here you see that it has the correct font. So it is working, but it sometimes, usually the style book is a good place to be, but sometimes when using fonts, they don't load correctly for some reason.